Are you over 50 and starting to wonder how much longer your body can keep doing the work you're doing, but you can't afford to stop? I know that feeling because that's exactly where I found myself. At 67 years old, I was working as a lunch lady. My body was starting to tell me something I didn't want to hear. I couldn't keep doing physically demanding work forever. What was I supposed to do? I still had bills to pay, a house to pay off, and dreams I wasn't ready to give up on. And that's a big reason I do what I do today. I help hardworking people over 50 learn high income skills so they can be worry less about money and enjoy more freedom. But I didn't start out knowing how to do any of this. The hardest part wasn't even the physical work. It was wondering if I had waited too long. Was I too old to learn something new? Had I missed my chance to build a different future? Then I discovered high income digital skills. I didn't suddenly become an expert, and I definitely didn't have everything figured out. I simply decided that I wasn't ready to let fear write the rest of my story. One lesson became another, and with every small step, something unexpected happened. I started believing in myself again. Today, I'm documenting my journey because I know I'm not the only one who has ever felt stuck, overwhelmed, or worried that time is running out. I want hardworking people, especially those over 50, to know there is still hope. You don't have to be the smartest person in the room. You don't have to be tech savvy at all. You just have to be willing to take that first step. Because I believe it's never too late to create more time, more freedom, and more income. And if my journey helps you believe that your best chapter could still be ahead of you, then every step I've taken has been worth it. If this sounds like your story too, just comment freedom and I'll send you my Freedom Formula Blueprint absolutely free. Or visit manufactureroffreedom.com and enter your email address. I'll send it straight to your inbox. It's my gift to you. If you don't see it within a few minutes, be sure to check your promotions, spam, or junk folders. Remember, every small step you take today can change the rest of your life. I'll see you on the journey.